Neci Love Harmon here of Whatsshecreating Enterprises, and today I will be cleaning the Kenmore 385.12916890 sewing machine. Now, I have a Kenmore 385 series sewing machine. However, I was gifted this one, and why not do a series of tutorials on it? All right, so what you'll need in order to clean this machine is a machine brush of some sort or an old makeup brush, and then a flathead screwdriver. Okay, so let's get started. Or the extension that holds the bobbin. We're going to open that up. I do not have the extension table. This machine was gifted to me. That was one of the things they did not include. All right, so what I'm going to do is take the bobbin out, the bobbin case holder out, and lay this to the side. Okay, let's go ahead and take the needle plate off. You can take open this latch cover so that you can get into the machine. Now, if you have a regular screwdriver, you should be able to do this. You may have to maneuver just a bit, but let's take the screws off and put those to the side where we do not lose them, because that wouldn't be a good thing. Okay, so we'll take that off and we'll take this off. So the plate looks good. There's not much lint at this part, but you'll need to clean that and clean in between this part where the feed dogs are placed and the needle goes in between. Okay, I'll put that to the side. Let's get a little closer. Look at this machine. Oh my goodness, I see all that lint. Look at that. Now that is what can cause your machine to not stitch well. So what I'm gonna do is let me take the presser foot off. And I take the presser foot off by just turning the thumb screw here, and the presser foot comes off. It just helps me to see better. I can take the needle out too, you know, if you want to. But let's go ahead and clean the feed. These are the feed dogs here. So let's clean those. Let's get that lint out of there. That's disgusting. Now, this machine, like I said, was gifted to me. So this is actually the first time that I have cleaned it. I wanted y'all to see it raw. I figured it was dirty. So I'm going to clean there. I'm going to clean behind here. And, you know, try to get down as far as I can go. Okay, I'm gonna try to clean under here and around. Anywhere I may think that lint is somewhere. Now, you should clean your machine often because lint from the fabric can get in it and mess up your stitch. Let's clean the inside of the bobbin. Let's clean the internals of the bobbin. All right. You can unscrew these and take this plate out. However, you have to make sure that you put it back in correctly or it's going to be difficult. So the way that you take it out is just make sure there's like this, let's call it a thumb. The thumb should be here, and that's how you should put it back in. So let's take this out. I just want to make sure that it's not a lot of lint in here, which it shouldn't be. And then I can actually take this piece out here, and the way that you put it back is the two holes are here, so don't forget that. But you can take that out and look inside, clean it out, make sure it's good. I'm still looking at the internal parts just to make sure that, and this is all optional. This is just my first time doing this machine, so I really want to thoroughly clean it before I start sewing. And it was some lint stuff right there, so I'm glad that I did. All right, so I'm gonna put the pieces back on. Remember, these two pieces are like this, and it should fit in there perfectly, okay? Make sure the thumb is facing up like that. Don't forget to put your Put your clamps back on, the black triangle clamps. Put the needle plate back on. And put the screws back in. Okay, make sure it's slightly tightened, but not too tight. Let's put the presser foot back on. So I'll just loosen the thumb screw and put it back in like that, and then tighten it. Bobbin back in. And then put that in. Close it up. So we have cleaned the Kenmore 385.12916890 sewing machine. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Subscribe to our YouTube page as well as like our video. Follow us on social media as well as give us video comments and ideas. And thanks for watching and happy sewing.